What's up everyone, welcome back to Stro Life. Today we're going camping again, so stay tuned. Alright everyone, we're on the road now.
On the road again?
Here's the spot at Dash Point Park. Looks pretty nice. Alright everyone, we're gonna head down to the water. I'm gonna do a little fishing. Made it to the beach. The tide is really low right now. Alright everyone, well I just fished for about an hour with no luck. I think there's a bunch of crabs still in my bait, so I'm gonna head back to the campsite. Made it back to the truck.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Alright everyone, so I came to this campground for some peace and quiet, get away from the city, and they got a warrant for some guy's arrest over there. There's like 4 cop cars, they have guns out. That stuff stressed me out, so I'm gonna keep setting up camp, but my dad went down there and he's gonna try to film a little bit of it for my video. Alright, got my side of the car set up. Alright guys, we're going glamper today.
Put a little locks on this, guys.
Well, they just thought it was a stolen RV, so they just handcuffed him and brought him away. Dad didn't get any footage because he thought it'd be disrespectful, so not a huge deal. Now we're just sitting by the fire. Ian's here.
It was just in vertical instead of horizontal.
Alright everyone, here's dinner for tonight. Lentil soup, mandarin oranges, Ritz crackers by the fire. Alright everyone, well we're in the car about to go to sleep with Ian. He doesn't want to be on camera, I guess. And see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, just woke up. It's absolutely freezing in the car. So I think we're gonna start the car, try to warm up. Alright guys, I just got dressed, turned on the car. The mattress last night completely deflated, so we were just sleeping on the straight car. All right, we're gonna go down and fish for a little bit, try to catch something. You guys, look how much higher the tide is today.
I didn't see it. It's not deep anywhere around here. I bet there were just millions.
All right, guys, we're back at camp. Here's breakfast. Nice little bar and an orange. All right, everyone. Well, I'm gonna pack up everything, and I think we're gonna get going. Alright everyone, well, we're heading out, so I'm going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.